Hi guys, this is VNfatBIKER Studio. It's month of May. As I promised, there will be 4 to 5 drones na ipamimigay ko. And we'll start it today. Okay, disclaimer. Okay, disclaimer lang po. So lahat ng mga dinideliver po sa ating mga drone, kung ano ang pagkaka-unbox natin, kung ano ang laman, yun po ang inyong makukuha. Okay? Unless during shipment papunta sa inyo, if ever kayo ang nanalo, well, it's not my liability kung anong nangyari sa drone. Okay? And then, disclaimer again, fly at your own risk. Okay guys? And by the way, no, another disclaimer, first time lang po, once lang po ang pwedeng manalo ng drone dito kay VNfatBIKER Studio. If you win already or if you won already, well, you cannot take the second time to win a drone. So we can give a chance, again, give a chance to our fellow subscriber, okay, inside the Philippines, and we will try to make some drone giveaways outside the Philippines soon. Okay guys, so let's get it on. This is a 1080p camera drone. Okay guys, with rechargeable remote control. This is yours. Okay guys, welcome back. This is VNfatBIKER Studio. First time to tune in to my channel, hit the subscribe button, like, share, at yung bell icon na rin, at H26. Okay guys, this is our third drone for this month of May. Okay, so let's unbox this and follow the mechanics. Listen carefully, watch the video. Okay, don't skip ads, and this will be yours. Okay, this is the third drone. So as you can see, no, ang ganda ng may carrying case na siya. Okay, sa labas, makikita nyo is all numbers, but sinasabi dito is meron siyang 1080p na drone camera. Okay, saan ka pa? Let's unbox. So listen carefully lang, no? So watch out the mechanics. Again, this drone giveaways is for my legit subscriber only. Tara, let's hit. Okay, let's hit the 5,000 and 10,000 subscriber po. Okay, shout out to all my Indian friends there. Okay, help me. Okay, for those non-Filipinos, no? So malakas na tayo here in Philippines, but again, I would like to flex and stretch. Okay, asking support outside the Philippines, no? Especially those my friends in India. I'm cooking up something for you. Let's hit the 5,000 subscribers, and you'll be part of the drone giveaway soon. And it's not a simple brand of drone, trust me. Okay, let's unbox. Okay, as you can see how big this drone is. So buksan na natin again, as usual, ano ba ang mga accessories. Ang laki ng plastic, sabihin malalaking parts nga talaga. So unang-una, instructional manual nandito. Okay, may English naman siya. Okay, and then may spare na dalawang propeller. Isipin nyo, straightforward propeller. Di siya yung rotatable. And then, nandito ang, may isang battery. Let's see. Wala. This is the battery. Just weighing this battery, ang bigat. Mukhang mahaba-haba nga nito. Paliparan to. It will take a longer flight time. Okay? Looks, this battery will last. One battery. Okay. Prop guard o propeller guard. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kasama po sa ating package. Screwdriver. At meron dito dalawang parang buli. Ito pala charger. Okay. Standard USB to micro USB. The battery. At meron dito dalawang bulitas. Di ko alam kung para saan to eh. Di ba parang cover siya eh. Probably siguro doon sa parang bling-bling lang nung ng remote controller knob. That's it. Yan ang laman ng mga ng mga accessories. And also the manual, lahat smells good. Smells brand new. The manual The manual smells brand new also. Okay? Looks brand new also. Okay? May English, and then all the QR codes to upload to download to your respective cell phone and gadget yung apps na magdadrive ng drone na to. Ang init ng Mayo. Okay guys, so shout out dyan, no? So flex po natin ang VNfatBIKER Studio, no? So ngayon, ito po ang, abang, cute, ang galing na naman po ng ating remote control. Okay? Yung last drone natin, di ba, na pinamigay ko, the second drone for the month of May only, parang ganito. So alam nyo na kung paano ito bubuksan. Sa likod, ayan, okay? Yan. Yan kasi yung magiging holder ng cellphone ninyo. Okay, ano bang laman? What are the controllers? So it's different, no? May on and off daw to. Ito, on and off. Shifting ng camera to video. To lower button na to. Okay. Merong flip. Ito. Flipping ng inyong drone. Okay, while flying. At kung may sport mode ang DJI, meron siyang high speed. Nakalagay ito. Itong button na to. And as usual, the standard, okay, multi-directional knob. Okay, and then sa taas, nakikita nyo merong left, right, button din, toggle, may fly, okay, merong B. Ano yung B? Okay. And as you can see, saan yung battery nito? Ay! Ang kagandahan nito, wala na siyang AA o AAA battery. Kaya pala ang bigat. Ang bigat niya yun. Rechargeable guys. Ayan o. May micro USB. Rechargeable yung ano mo. Remote controller. Saan ka pa? Ang bangis. Tara, puntahan na natin yung ano. Yung mismong drone. Let's open it. Okay. Yung box. Ang laki ng box yun. And this is the drone. This is a different, this is a very different folding drone. Makita nyo. Ayan o. Meron siyang base dito, pero hindi lang natitiklop. Meron siyang pivot pa dito. External pivot, yun ang natitiklop. Okay. Okay, ang laki. Pakikita nyo. Talagang ganda. And then, what we can see here is the 1080p camera. Take note, lahat ng mga camera, namumove yan, ha? Namumove. Okay? Ang galing. And as you can see, antenna niya, and then meron pa siyang another camera. Okay? Camera ba to? Oh yes. May bottom camera, may camera ka pa dito. Ang ganda nito. Okay? So 1080p, and then mga multi-LED, standard po ng mga drone. And there you go. This is the drone. So kunin natin yung battery. Sana may charge to para mabuhay natin. And again guys, no, I still discourage myself to fly this drone outside, no, maliban sa bawat pag-alagala sa panahon ngayon is ayaw kong mag-crash, magasgasan itong drone na pamimigay ko sa inyo. That's the main reason. I would like to send this or ship this out to the lucky winners of this giveaway drone na kung ano in-unbox ko, pagkabalik ko, ship na kagad. Okay? So tara na, buksan natin to. Okay, may pasok na natin muna battery. Let's open it. Press flat 3 seconds. Okay, there you go. You know that light. You must connect to your cell phone with apps that will control this drone. Okay? At may ilaw rin pala sa ilalim. Okay? So there you go. Okay? This drone is yours. It's not mine. I'm just unboxing it. Okay? This is a 1080p camera drone. Okay guys? With rechargeable. Okay? Rechargeable remote control. This is yours. Okay guys? So the mechanics, as usual, okay, you know the drill. Number one, you must be a legit subscriber of VNfatBIKER Studio. Okay? And next, share this video, okay, to your respective Facebook page. Okay? And then tag me. Okay? Tag my Facebook. VNfatBIKER Studio. Okay? Kita-kita naman dito. And then, put VNfatBIKER Studio. Hashtag VNfatBIKER Studio. That's it. Okay? Then, paramihan na ng Facebook reaction. The more Facebook reaction within 6 to 7 days. Okay? 6 to 7 days will win this drone. Okay? Don't forget to tag me and make sure you are a legit subscriber. Kung sinong pinakamaraming Facebook reaction, you must tag me para makita ko. Okay? Para makita ko kung sino ang may pinakamarami within 6 days to 7 days kayong panalo. That's it. Alright guys, let's get it on.